everyone, my name is Anam. I'm one of the learning assistants for CS 1101 and I will be giving a quick introduction to while loops.
Let's start with a simple while loop example. We have defined a list called pets, and within this list there are three string elements: dog, cat, and iguana. The goal of our code here is to print out every element that is within a list. I here represents a counter variable. Once we have set up our counter variable I equals 0, then we set up the actual while loop. In order for your code to actually enter the while loop, this condition right here that I've highlighted under red, I less than length of pets, has to be true. It is once this condition is no longer true that you are no longer in need of your while loop and you have successfully completed what you wanted the while loop to do. So here, well, I is less than the length of pets, which we know right now to be 3 because there's 1, 2, 3. So the length of pets right now is equal to 3. And right now we're starting with I equals 0. Because 0 is less than 3, then we know that we can enter the while loop. And here it's asking us, okay, can you print the ith position of the list pets? And if you guys remember, lists always start with position 0, 1, 2, and then so on. So the first thing that it will print will be dog, because the 0th position of pets is dog. You have to make sure that you change the value of your counter variable, which in this case is I. Because if you don't, then it will continuously keep on printing out pets bracket I, which in this case will be 0 if we never have the I plus equals 1 since we initiated it as 0. In order to keep on iterating through a list or whatever you are iterating through, you need to make sure that you change the counter variable so you can successfully iterate completely through your data structure. Then we have 1 is less than 3. Okay, that condition is true. So then it will print out cat right here because cat is at the 1th position or the first position of pets. And then we'll do it again. Then we'll add 1 to 1 and then we'll have 2. And then it will loop back right here and they'll be like, okay, is 2 less than 3? Yes, it is. Awesome. So then it'll print out iguana. When you add one more to I, which we left at 2, then I will now equal 3. But when we come to the condition of our while loop, it is I is less than the length of pets, but 3 is not less than 3. So now it stops entering the while loop and then it is done. And this makes sense, right? Because we don't have any additional values in our pets.